Okay, so there is a kind of fad right now in terms of a diet called the keto diet. And I wanted to show you where we get the keto diet from. And those are we get the name from having keto bodies. So if our body does not have carbohydrates available to undergo metabolism, our body breaks down fat molecules instead to meet the energy needs that it has. Um, when we break down fat molecules, um, it forms what's called keto bodies. So, ketogenesis, the full name of the keto diet, or really what happens to your body on the keto diet, it just means that you have a formation of ketone bodies in your bloodstream. So, there's a large amounts of acetyl CoA accumulate in this process. To acetyl CoA, when a lot of acetyl CoA um, accumulates in reaction number one up here, you actually take two acetyl CoAs and they're going to they're going to come together. You lose one of the green portions, put two of the blue portions together to make what's called acetyl CoA, this molecule here. Step number two would be you lose another CoA and you make acetoacetate, this molecule here. Acetoacetate in your body is going to do one of two things. The first one is you could hydrolyze to make acetoacetate. Or I'm sorry. The first thing that you could do is you could process this and reduce it in order to form the beta hydroxybutyrate. So this ketone here, that's a keto body, right? This ketone could be reduced down to the alcohol. Another thing that could happen is you could lose our carboxylate here through CO2 and make acetone again, which is a keto body. It's a ketone in your bloodstream. So this forms what's called ketosis. So this happens if you have diabetes, if you cannot process you don't have insulin to break down your starches and everything like that into your monosaccharides. So in diabetes, you would have ketosis occur more often. Diets high in fat. So if you limit your number of carbohydrates, then you're going to go into ketosis. And then also in starvation. So when your body doesn't have enough fuel, it starts using the fats stored in your body to do this process as well. It's also signified as when ketone bodies accumulate in your bloodstream, and then that could become acidic and it changes your blood pH a little bit, and that's called acidosis.